Welcome to Narayana Digital Classes. Today I am going to explain December 11th 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment related to the factorization. Let us move on to the assignment. See that in the answer the following questions. Find the correct error in the following mathematical sentences. See here, see that in this multiplication ones, x into 3x plus 2 is equal to given 3x square plus 2. Actually x into 3x plus 2 means x into 3x plus x into 2 by distributive property. You know that the distributive property is what? Distributive property is a into b plus c is equal to a into b ab plus a into c ac. So this is the method. In the same way, here x into 3x plus 2 you will write, this one can write x into 3x is 3x square plus x into 2 is 2x is the correct way. So this is the wrong. So where you did the mistake here? With x the second term did not multiply. What is the reason? By the distributive property a into b plus c. What you can write? A into b plus a into c. Compulsory both the terms in the bracket should multiply with the outside of the term. Okay, this is the multiplication. So what is the correct ones here? X into 3x plus 2 is 3x square plus 2x is the correct one. Now coming to here. In the second one, see that all are like terms. 5z plus 3z plus z minus 7z is equal to 0 is given. Actually, what are the positive terms? 5z plus 3z. Here z means what? Z means if there is no any number before the z, we can understand that respective coefficient is 1. Respective coefficient is here 1. So when you take the z is common, what you will get? 5 plus 3 plus 1 minus 7 into z. Now 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 minus 7 is 2. So we will get the 2z only, but it is given 0. So in this way it is the wrong statement. So the correct one is 2z is the correct answer. Now see that, let us move on to here. Second Roman answer. In the second Roman, see that find the correct errors in the following mathematical statements. Substituting x is equal to minus 3 in this polynomial, in this expression, in place of x minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3, okay, by substitution is okay, plus 4 is given. Now minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to plus 9 only. This is the correct. Now minus 5 into minus 3, minus 5 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to plus 15, but here given minus 15. This is the wrong. So 9, here what you will get? 9 plus 15 you will get it, and plus 4 and plus 4. So 9 plus 15 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28 is the correct answer now. Okay, so that is, there is the mistake. Where you did the mistake here? Here you have the mistake. Minus 5 into minus 3 is not a minus 15. That is the plus 15. This is the plus 15 is the correct one. Okay, so this is the mistake. Now coming to the second one. X square plus 5x. The same x is equal to minus 3 substituting x square plus 5x. So x means minus 3 whole square, okay, plus 5 into minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is how much? Minus 3 whole square means what? Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 is how much? Plus 9 only. But what is given here? Minus 3 whole square is minus 9 is the wrong answer. Then what is the correct answer? Minus 3 whole square plus 9 is the correct answer. Now plus 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, it is okay. Okay, so 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 is the correct one. So this is the wrong answer. Okay, there is the mistake. Now coming to the next one, see. z plus 5 whole square is equal to z square plus 25 is given. Z plus 5. So z plus 5 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square. In the same way, z plus 5 whole square is a means z, b means 5 substitute here. Z square plus 2 into z into 5 plus 5 square. But though after simplifying, what you will get? Z square plus 10z plus 25 is the correct one. But what is given here? Z square plus 25 is given. That's why it is the wrong. Okay. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. The correct one is what you will get? Z square plus 10z plus 25 is the correct answer. So you forgot the 10z term here. So there is the mistake. There is the error here. Okay. Now coming to the next one. A plus 4 into a plus 2. A plus 4 into a plus 2. How to multiply? See that once in this one. A plus 4 into. So with this a, multiply all the terms in the bracket. That is a into a plus 2. Next plus in between the plus here. Plus 4 into again a plus 2. Now a into a square plus 2a. 4 into a 4a plus 4 2s are 8. So a square plus 2a plus 4a plus 6a plus 8 is the answer. But what is given? A square plus 8. So which one you forgot? 6a you forgot. There is the mistake. So here plus 6a is also there. This one you forgot. There is the mistake. Now coming to the next one, see that D. In the D0, 5x square plus 1 by 5x square is given. Okay. 5x square plus 1 by 5x square. Actually, what happened? 5x square, 5x square cancel. So 1 plus 1. Actually, the entire procedure is wrong. So what is the why? The reason is here 5x square plus 1 by x square means this denominator will apply to the both terms of the numerator. So that means 5x square by 5x square plus 1 by 5x square. This is the correct expansion form. Now 5x square cancel plus 1 by 5x square. So this is the value. So this one is the wrong one. Okay. Now coming to the next one. 3x plus 3x by 3x plus 2. So what is it actually? 3x by 3x plus 2. He cancelled the 3x 1. So he given the 1 by 2. This is the wrong. Can we cancel? In which case you can cancel? There is the common factor for the both numerator and denominator. You can cancel. But 3x is present in the first term but not present in the second one. So we cannot cancel here. We cannot cancel. So this is the wrong statement. Okay? In that way there is the wrong statement. Now coming to here also, he cancelled the 5 and 5, but it is the wrong. Okay? So 5 and 5 it is the wrong means in what? 5 and 5. This one means 7x by 5 plus 5 by 5 is equal to 5 by 5 cancel. 7x by 5 plus 1 is the correct answer. That's why this is also wrong. So you, in this way, this 5 and 5 you cannot cancel. Okay? That this is there is the mistake. Okay, children? So these are the errors problems. Thank you very much.